What is up, you guys? Breaking the Flaw here. I don't know if you've seen this video or not yet, but you gotta watch it. I mean, this is a big story. I mean, they're challenging it all the way. They're probably going to want to take it to the Supreme Court if it doesn't go anywhere in the federal court. But two of my friends, Jason Gerhard and, Footloose, aka Frank Staples, and you've seen a lot of my videos of his trial on my channel. And you gotta check him out, because he just completely schools them. We show them the law, and they still don't respect the law. You guys have to watch this video, share it around, get other channels to share it and talk about it. We need this to be heard. Alright, thank you guys. Watch the video. Bye.
Right.
What?
No, I'm here to challenge constitutionality of it, so I understand I'm going to be arrested.
Whatever you guys want to do.
I didn't want to make it big.
Good to see you again. Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, you can't record me?
I understand. I'm trying to draw the charge to challenge it later in court.
So whatever you want to charge us with is fine.
He's calling your
I brought my defense. Constitution.
And I want to say that the scope of the rules is for civil cases.
Oh, okay.
If you look at the scope of the rules, it says civil only.
Are you recording too?
I'm not answering any questions.
You have a better attorney than I do, apparently.
That's what I mean. So arrest me, do whatever, and then I'll come back, and when I have to represent myself, it's going to be the same thing in the lobby here. I'm getting in to film my criminal case to challenge this.
Oh, you can't do it yourself? You don't want the balls? You have no balls to do it yourself? Do it.
You don't want to be the one in court, but you'll be there.
He doesn't want to go to court,
Sure.
that's why.
I have no problem with him.
He doesn't have the balls. He's going to send his goons to the corner. Look at the gloves. Hand on the gloves.
Cavity search.
You don't have the balls to do it himself, huh? He's going to send you. You just follow orders like that? Just do what you told?
Yep.
So I'm under arrest? I just want to turn it off.
Let him turn it off. That's fine.
Okay.
Let him turn it
But
off.
I'll only turn it off completely. I'm saying so I might need
So
it
the
later.
battery doesn't.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I don't know what you're doing.
Giving you the same option, sir. You want to stop recording and leave the building, or do you want to be arrested? Already cuffed.
No, you're trying to take it off, and you got me cuffed. It's not going to come off while I'm cuffed, smart guy. And don't damage my property either.
And here we are. Their dedication, hard work, and vision have resulted in a dignified, functional, and pleasing public forum for the citizens of New Hampshire. This is the dedication of the building, this courthouse. It is a public forum.
Hey, what's up? So we have a court appearance at 10:30? Yeah. So we're here.
So the judge has ordered that you guys cannot be filming in the building, okay? There's a written order from the judge.
I have a right to film police. So the judge
You
is
can film me outside.
No, I can film you in the course of your duties. Lake vs. Kunin, First Circuit decision.
I'm not gonna get into
So if you want to arrest me again,
No, I don't
for,
want to arrest anyone.
well, then you're gonna have to. There's one of two ways it's gonna go. You're gonna not let me in, or you're gonna let me in. One or the other.
You have to comply with the rules.
And the rules are that I am representing myself, and I'm allowed to bring my electronics in there. It says it. There's an exception to people who are representing themselves.
Hold on a second. But attorneys can bring in their cell phones, correct? So if we're representing ourselves,
I have my
so many
documents
jurors.
here. I have my first appearance
Okay, let me
filing.
look at it.
Yep.
I get it. Listen, I don't
Look it
want
up and talk to the judge.
these things are all detailed.
We're not requesting anything. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm here doing it, and I'm coming in there one way or the other with my phone because I have here all my notes.
That's not gonna happen.
Well, then what are you gonna do? You're just gonna leave me here in the lobby?
No, you can't hang on the lobby.
I'm here to see the judge. I need to see the judge. So if you want to bring me to the front of the judge in handcuffs, that's on you. Or you want to arrest me?
That will be on you.
No, that's fine, of course. So I'm trying to get in there with my electronics. So you're saying you're not going to let me in with my electronics,
No.
with my documents, and even though I am representing myself, you're violating your own rules, correct?
No.
There is a rule that has an exception to parties who are representing themselves. I'm allowed to bring my stuff in there. And how am I going to represent myself if I don't have all my notes? Sir?
Hey, what's up? We got a 10:30 court appearance.
Yeah. What you trying to do?
So he,
Trying to see
oh,
the judge.
just, yeah.
I have an AD. I also need trying to talk to the clerk, trying to get a reasonable accommodation for ATA. I have a right to create my own documents. I have a right to film police in the course of their duties like a first unit.
Not in here.
Sure, it's a public forum, sir. Would you agree that this is a public forum?
I don't need to see it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, you do actually.
I don't need
It
to see
says
it.
it's a public forum.
Let's go.
So let's go what? What does that mean?
Pass this form.
That's what point?
This right here.
Where? I don't see in front of you? No, sir.
No, we have court.
I have court.
Hearing at 10:30.
I have court at 10:30, and I have my first.
You got court at 10:30, then you're gonna abide by the rules and regulations that we set, and that's it.
No, the rules say if you're, so for instance, real quick.
Look, I don't want to hear none of your rules.
They are your rules. They are your rules.
Seriously.
They are your rules. There is an exception.
Okay, hold on, let me talk.
Go ahead. I don't need two people talking to me. I'm just telling you right now.
We both have court.
You're filming right now, okay? And why are you filming this? That's what I want to know.
Because it's our First Amendment protected activity.
It might be.
I don't film.
Right now. Look,
You're on notice, and you just agreed that it might be, so you're going to be a malicious prosecution if you go further. You want to arrest me for brother, I'm telling you, you want to arrest me for protected activity, go right ahead. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. So you want to arrest me again? Arrest me again.
man,
Let's go.
You're going to get arrested again, I'm telling you right now.
That's
so,
fine.
all I can tell you right now is no filming. Past this point. That's it. That's
Past
it.
the lobby.
You can make whatever
Past
points
the
you
lobby,
want.
right? We're allowed to film the lobby, is that what you're saying? Are
I'm
you
just
saying we're
telling
allowed to
you.
film the lobby?
I'm just telling you
Because
right now.
this says we're allowed to film the lobby, right?
Past this point right here,
This-
you ain't going no
This
further.
says we're allowed to film the lobby, correct?
You ain't going no further than right here.
So we're allowed to film the
You
lobby,
ain't
correct?
going no further than
Frank,
right
Frank,
here.
Frank, stop, stop.
Yeah.
Stop,
Yeah.
stop.
Yeah, he made it clear. He made it clear.
He made it clear.
All right.
No, not really.
Stop. Stop. All right. Let me just say something. Okay, I'm also defending this thing. I'm actually, I got a little, oh, let me put this on. Changes everything. State rep. Okay, so the problem is this. We want to challenge the inability to record, just follow me. Beyond this, it's a public building, public forum.
Right.
Okay, so just let me explain. So we got arrested on 9/11. We're here now to challenge the ticket that we were given a violation by some of your colleagues. So we would like you either to call the clerk and to clarify if the rules don't apply, because it says that if you're representing yourself, attorneys can bring cell phones in. I don't understand why somebody that's a member of the Bar Association has a higher standing than one of the people who gave you the authority to do what you're doing right now.
Your powers come from us.
All right, stop. I respect what you're doing. No, seriously, I respect what you're doing. I get it. But at the same
All
time,
your powers come from us. If you have
Frank,
that power,
stop.
we have that
I
power.
get
Wait,
it. I get it. Just stop. What I'm trying to say is this. We're trying to assert our rights under the Constitution, okay? So that's what we're all trying to get. I'm not getting in a screaming match. I don't care about like the theatrics of it all. I want this to go up to the Supreme Court and all the rest of the shit, okay? I want to use the system for the system's purpose. So that's where we're going. So can you please let the clerk, the judge, God, somebody know that we're here. We don't want to have a bench warrant put out. I gotta get to the State House later this flash for a meeting at 1 o'clock, a hearing. That's what we're trying to establish. I don't want to get a scream match.
Okay, if you want to establish that.
Yes.
All I'm telling you is, I'm not telling you can't go see the clerk. I'm not telling you can't go see him. I'm telling you no filming past this point. That's all I'm saying.
So
What if it changes? What if she says, yeah, you're allowed to? You're gonna like go, oh, okay, go ahead, sir. Or are you sticking to your words? It's gonna go through one ear out the other with the clerk?
Who the hell are you?
I don't answer questions. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. No, you work for me. You work for me. I'm the one asking questions here. I'm the one asking questions. You're being disorderly, sir. You're not answering my questions. I don't have to answer your questions. No one's got to answer your questions. You know that, right?
You were arrested last time. Why are we not being arrested now? You don't know?
Let's just move over here.
I'm moving over.
Hey, why don't you move over there? You go move over there.
Move me.
Hey, do your job. Do your job.
Move me.
All I can tell you guys, and I'm just gonna leave it at this.
Respect my personal space. You're about to catch COVID from me.
It's kind of gross.
Well, I haven't had COVID before, so that's fine.
Okay, good. I hope you're not vaccinated.
Well, I sure am. Oh, boy.
Oh, there goes those proteins.
Well, guess what? It's my life. So
Yeah, you make your own choices. And you're making a choice here today to violate people's rights. You're making that choice too, just like the vaccine.
all I can tell you
Yeah.
is I understand what you're here for. But you got to understand my rule and what I
No, I get it. I get it.
You got to understand that.
I do.
Yeah, and I believe
If you
that.
can't understand that, guess what? We ain't going nowhere.
I just believe that your methods and your training has been lacking.
That's your choice.
Well, I mean, it's showing now. As an educated citizen, I am telling you that you're very uneducated with the law.
I guess you said I'm not educated.
No, I believe you're not. Yeah, your vest, your badge doesn't mean anything. They literally hire cops because they have lower IQ than the rest of the people because they can't be smart and take these positions.
Well, guess what? You ain't getting past this point.
I didn't ask.
You ain't getting past this point. That's all I can tell
I
you.
never asked.
And you such a smart guy.
Thank you.
Why would
That's
you
the smartest thing you've said all day.
Why would you need to have a phone to record all this?
Well, now I have it on record, right?
Well, you keep it on record. I don't care.
Okay, well, then don't worry.
I just want your answer.
Well, I'm asking one of you guys, could you get me the clerk's phone number, please?
Well, you're the one got to go to court, so that's your responsibility.
What?
You're the one got to go to court. That's your responsibility.
Yeah, but they have the number. They have their number.
You guys have to.
Hey, it's
Recorded, and I am documenting this, how helpful you are.
it's the job of the government to decipher information when needed, and he needs to call the clerk.
It's public information, you have to provide your public information forms. Can you, Bill, go up and give the clerk's number for me? Let the clerk know that we're down here trying to get in. Please, sir, thank you so much. Yeah. You guys, not with the phone, sir. Not with the phone. Yes, with the phone. Yes, with the phone.
I come in and I guess they're going to put on the bed.
Well, I don't know why you guys aren't arresting me for filming in the lobby like you did last time.
Well,
why are you telling me not to film in the lobby? Where's the direct order? Where's the lawful order? So you see what I'm doing here? I'm generating evidence to smash this thing if it does go to trial, where it should get dismissed today at this first appearance for lack of subject matter and partial jurisdiction.
Sir, why don't you?
No. Why don't you let it go in?
So you're the top dog, whatever. So
I
you're like,
ain't a top dog. All I'm telling you is, I'm the mic on this. And hey, all I'm telling you, you can't bring that in. I ain't telling you, you can't come in.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you, you can't bring that in.
Not gonna do a security check on her or check her ID. Photo ID required right there. Yeah, don't worry that they violate our rights, not yours.
I don't think I'm violating your rights.
Well, actually, the photo ID requires is a Fourth Amendment violation.
I'm talking to you.
I'm talking to you. What is the deal? Why is the gaslighting happening?
Did you got an order to show up in court? Did you got an order to show up in court? We're not talking about that.
I'm not. He's not answering questions. We're the one asking questions.
So one of these guys said they don't have ID.
This gentleman right here.
yeah.
These two gentlemen right here got to go to court. Now, what you do with that, and what you do with that, you ain't going past this point.
I didn't ask.
He ain't going past.
I didn't ask.
Well, that's good.
How about this? Don't tell me what to do.
Well,
I have to say that with all due respect, you're actually helping us out big time because I was arrested right there. So you're saying we could have done that. So that means that we beat the charge, basically.
Yeah, it's done.
I'm not trying to tie you up. I'm just saying it's awesome.
Thompson.
For recording.
This is right here.
Now I'm here in the
Pro se litigants and others may extend similar privileges upon application to the clerk of the court and show of good cause for a particular need for an exception. And this is the exceptions regarding photography. That's exactly what he's quoting, and it's right here in our face. And you're not going to do anything about it. You're not going to follow the rule.
I'm following the judge's rule.
This is, hey, the judge's rules could be unconstitutional, and you could be, losing your qualified immunity right now because you said you're well trained, right? You're a well trained officer.
Have it go in one ear out the other.
No, qualified immunity is gone
What does the clerk say?
I'm not gonna listen to no more of this.
because your qualified immunity is gone.
If it's gone, it's gone.
It is rules right here, rules right there.
Guess what?
You're in violation of your own rules.
I don't need you to tell me anything, sir. I know the law.
You're gonna try to hide the rules now?
Hide it. You already took a picture of it. They're not gonna hide it.
Get them, we're gonna get these up there and whatever. And Judge, this is how we're gonna communicate with the judge from the lobby. I don't know who the victim is. Who's the victim? Who's the victim of us exercising our First Amendment protected activities?
Who's the victim? I guess
Who's the
you could be
victim? I'm the victim? I am the victim of the government, of the tyranny. He's right, we're the victim of the tyranny.
Accurate.
Accurate. You got one. You got it that time.
No cap.
They're a local rule that you know about, that you're on notice and you're being malicious. It's at the very end of that.
Oh, here it is. I'm
48.
trying to find the actual document itself.
This is why phones are important. Look at this.
See? That's why we need our device so we can pull up the local rules, and I have everything in my phone. I have all the stuff I need in my phone because I'm not just somebody that's in the pews watching.
They're trying to be green, go paperless, you know?
Okay. Yeah, that's I'm trying to boost my ESG score.
All right, so what is what page are you talking about?
Are you ready for it? It's 83.8. It is the rule on photographing and broadcasting, and there are exceptions under C.
Guys, it's right there.
And what is the exception?
It says pro se litigants and others may be extended similar privileges upon application to the clerk of court and showing of good cause for particular need for an exception.
And I don't work for the clerk of court.
And that's why I tried to get you guys to put me in touch with the clerk of courts, which is security's job. It is also security's job. I can find that rule too, where you guys have to, this is your fucking job.
Hey, could you guys just do their job for them already?
If you just read
Lazy ass bitch.
No. That there's no RSA attached to that. Right here, this right here is exactly what they read. 83.8. Section C at the very end, right there, pro se litigants.
And that's directions right there.
No, hey, I ignore this stuff. This stuff doesn't have RSAs attached to it. Doesn't cite
Just
anything.
for dressing.
Doesn't cite anything.
It don't.
It's actually manipulative because it's not telling you the full rule. The full rule is right there, and that is not a total truth.
And you can find the full rule in lots of other places too.
You mean like America with the Constitution?
Under
Well,
part
lots of
C.
people don't even believe in the Constitution.
Exception.
You're probably one of them.
So no. The Constitution applies. All right, we have the right to First Amendment, we have the right to Second Amendment, Third, Fourth,
Exactly.
Fifth. Right, and what are you
And
doing?
guess what? That's why you in this public area right here.
Wait, this is a public area?
Oh, it's a public area. He just admitted on camera. We got him. So why were we arrested last time? You don't know, Captain? Commander?
Right here.
Then you guys fucked us.
You guys fucked up.
This is great.
The other guy fucked up.
Actually, hey, call him as a witness. Call him as a witness.
Man, but he said he's in charge.
Thompson.
Hey, you guys don't need to do anything else now. You don't. You just admit it. Thompson can be pulled to the stand.
I know, we're gonna call you to the stand, sir, as a witness.
He could be sequestered right now because he's in the courthouse.
Well,
Oh,
I've been called to the
I'd
stand.
be more than glad to go in there because y'all got it all on film for you.
And you can't. And you just point to this vague sign, and you haven't yet read the actual rule.
But can you read?
I don't answer questions. I'm the one asking questions.
I can't answer yours either.
You know I can read. You're undermining my ability to read because you just saw me read over there. So now you're just degrading people.
I saw you.
I read the whole quote out.
I'm blind.
All right, you don't know nothing.
No, I don't.
What is
Well,
it?
that's what the funny thing is. We are being recorded, so it's like, think about this. Me, as a living person, man, right? We create a government that records us, but we can't record the government while they're prosecuting the people that create the government.
Yeah, they're violating our rights right now. If you're wondering.
You're recording me right now.
I'm being
Yeah, but
guarded by a guy
You're
with a gun.
saying I can't go past this point, sir. You're saying I can't go past this point under threat of violence.
Hey,
Tyrants.
hey,
I've never.
Right
I've
past-
never been involved.
Oh, you got a gun on your hip, bro. We're not allowed to bring weapons in here. How else are you gonna enforce it through force? You will cuff me, correct?
The badge
This
that
a
you're
hammer,
wearing,
this ain't no gun.
the badge that you're wearing is a threat in and of itself.
And that camera's
Hey.
a threat to me.
you
It
don't-
is.
Oh my God.
Camera's the new gun.
That's a
It's
threat to
the new
me.
gun.
No, that
You
helps
know
you.
that.
That helps you.
No, the camera's the new gun.
You know, the gun can help you do.
I get it. That's why we
Hey.
built the cars.
Hey, you know, hey,
It's a threat to me.
you know what cameras and guns have in common? They kill cops' careers.
I have a question for you. What is it about the camera that threatens you? Because if it's you doing something illegal and you're afraid that the government is going to come after you for doing something illegal.
Okay. So
I
that's
can
that.
understand that.
Who do we get this to?
That makes sense to me.
got
You're gonna plaster my picture all over the damn thing and stuff, man. That's a threat.
But you volunteered to take this job. You weren't forced into this job, right?
Well, that's what.
Part of your job
And
is
guess what?
to accept a certain
It
amount
don't
of
matter. It's still a threat to me.
Hey, Stickles. Real quick, I was just trying to find it. Is that your stuff that's in the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, just want to make sure we know.
Hey, who do we give the motion to? Marshall?
We'll get the clerk down here.
You get the
Thank you,
All right,
thank you,
thanks.
thanks.
I appreciate that. So I am here since 10:25 a.m. in the lobby, trying
What time is it, guys?
almost to
Do you know what time it is?
get
It's 11
to
10.
40 minutes behind schedule, man.
10:30 a.m. here. Here, yeah. So I guess that's that. I guess, right? What do I do here? Concurrences sought. I certify certificate of service. No, there's no certificate of service.
Oh, no offense, but I want to give it to the clerk so I can say I gave it to the
You
clerk.
got good handwriting there, bro.
It's all right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Some people say though. I think it's chicken scratch, but
That's a good one for government work.
That's a pretty low barrier anyway, though, right?
This is all scratched up, but that's.
yeah, his is. He does this like hybrid cursive thing.
You signed back, right?
No,
It's,
the side back, the bottom page. I don't know.
There's signatures and stuff.
Yeah, that's for certificate of service though. That's to certify that you gave it to the prosecution.
Oh, okay.
And that,
Yeah, yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean?
So I'm gonna save these extra motions.
Yeah, we'll save the extras.
I mean, if,
That's some extras.
We'll see what they say here. You know, so we see this, we'll point this out again. Weapons prohibited because of 18 U.S.C. 930. There is no statute, there's no United States code or law.
But look at, they posted the whole thing right here.
They derive zero authority to do this. Local rule.
Look right here, right here. Right there, pro se litigants.
And it says it right here.
Yeah, it's
He's
displayed.
acting like it's already on. You guys already put the notice out here. Pro se litigants are allowed. Look at the last sentence. Exceptions. Pro se litigants are allowed to bring their electronics in there. So you guys talk about following your goddamn rules so much, but it goes in one ear out the other one. It goes in our favor,
just
doesn't
chill.
it?
Hey, chill, just chill,
No,
chill,
this
chill.
is bullshit.
Just chill.
I have a right to protest this utter bullshit. And if you want to arrest me for that, free speech, go fucking right the fuck ahead. That's what I'm here for. Arrest me. You guys got motions you want the clerk to see? I think he's bringing.
He has one right there. You have one right there? Yeah, he's just holding on to
Got
it.
one, and then the other guy got one.
No. I have mine right here. I wanted to give it to the clerk.
Oh, he wants to give it directly, so that one's mine?
So it's just floating right here waiting for the clerk.
I just want to make sure it gets, I don't want to say it got to somebody.
I just want to make sure these rules are being followed and adhered to, why they're not being respected.
Did you guys call the clerk?
When they're in our favor.
Did you call the clerk to take them?
Okay, you guys act like I didn't read every single one of these fucking things.
Hey, Frank,
Which you haven't
you have to
done.
call the clerk.
No, the commander said he was going to give it. So, I don't know if she's coming down.
Be ready. I'm going to hand my phone off and I'm going to go in, okay?
This is a travesty. And everybody here should be embarrassed to be working for this entity, this fictional creature.
Here she is. The clerk's here. You want to?
Oh, shit.
He wants to give it directly to you.
Thank you.
And this one too. Thank you.
All right, guys.
So there is always an exception to the rule, and this is it. Right there. Public forum. He even said public space.
I mean, the whole building's a public
The whole
space.
building's fucking public space. And to say
Except for
you
restricted,
can't
locked areas.
record these fucking tyrants past this point is fucking bullshit. And that's why he doesn't want us to, because we will catch the tyranny.
What are you, on tyranny patrol?
I'm on tyranny patrol. You see this? Shiny badges don't grant extra rights. Supreme law enforcement. I am the Constitution. I speak with my feet.
Wait, what are you, anti-factory or science?
I am the Constitution. Words on paper don't enforce themselves. Right? You guys are not the Constitution. You guys are boot-licking rule enforcers. You don't follow the Constitution. You don't even know the Constitution.
They don't even know their own rules.
They don't even know their own rules. They don't know the exceptions of their own rules. Ridiculous.
All right, here comes Thompson.
Disgrace too. I need to sip my coffee. I'll be right back.
All right, you go out that door, that's it. Go out that door, that's it.
You're out.
I think
You
the
just say, I would just, if you want, you can cuff me. I'm not going to take personal offense to it. And then we'll just go to the court and get it over with. Whatever. You want to do that? Okay, cool. They're going to cite us. Just hang out for a second.
good. Cite us for what?
I think so.
Good. Cite us. Why aren't you cuffing us and bringing us back there again?
That's what he said he's going to do. Just let him do. Just let him do what they got to do.
Yeah, they're gonna pounce.
You've been lenient enough with what? Allowing us to film the lobby, which it says we're allowed to do?
That's what's in discretion. That's what they said.
Whatever.
There you go, guys. Gonna arrest Frank right now.
What is it? Why? For disorderly conduct and failure to comply with what?
Lawful order.
What was the lawful order? There was a whole bunch of them? Okay.
My God.
So I'm being arrested for
Okay.
a lawful order.
Again? Second time? Come on.
What?
You arrested me last time.
No, I'm not helping you do any of your job, man.
All right, let me just turn this off. So, real quick, I'm being arrested, right? Okay, so what am I being arrested for? I just want to get some.
Is there fine? With your double lock?
Can you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
And so why don't you bring us outside? Because if you bypass security, well, you're gonna bypass security again? You haven't even searched us. So you're gonna bypass and breach security again? No, I'm protesting my arrest. You're arresting me on some bullshit.
I'm gonna go take this out.
I don't give a fuck if I'm giving you a headache. So they're gonna cite me.
Penguin, just move over.
I told you guys, bringing us behind security last time was a breach of your own security.
All right, guys.
I'm guessing that pointer was what?
No, that fourth is, you're going with two.
I'm going with two?
Yes.
Why?
You never asked me to leave. I have on record you never asked me to leave. So if you tell me to leave, I'll leave.
We'll leave.
Okay. There you go.
Hey guys, make sure you go over to thinkpenguin.com and check out some of the stuff he has here. Like keyboards and mice. He's got a huge selection of things here. All in stock. If it's on there, he's got it. And all kinds of accessories. Need some tech gear. Need some Linux computers and laptops. He's got all kinds of good stuff here. He's got all the little nooks and crannies to fix her up. He's got it. Cables and other PC components. I mean, come on guys, you gotta check this guy's out. He's got some reasonable prices, and believe it or not, he takes crypto. So go check this site out, thinkpenguin.com.